Welcome to Alpha Online Education. It is the first year civics or political science English medium. Civics or political science first year English medium. So the unit is 8th unit. The name of the name of the unit is democracy. So I give what is democracy. In previous videos I explained about the democracy. So the democracy meaning, the definitions of democracy and the features of democracy and the types of democracy, the merits and demerits of the democracy, the merits and demerits of the democracy. So today the topic is the conditions for the success of democracy. The conditions for the success of democracy. So the democracy, it is the valuable one. So how the democracy its success? The successfulness of democracy, if the democracy is not success, so the system collapses. So the democratic countries. So today the counting in American democratic country. So it is the very tough fight between Joe Biden, Donald Trump. So the country of that is a democratic country. So the people give choice to their presidents. So recently the fight is tough. So that is the good. So in democratic countries, so the people do not bend one side. So they give opportunities to both sides, neck to neck. So that is the powerful democracy. In our side, the people give choice to only one side votings. At the time of elections, they mould, the voters mould, and they give their votes to single side. So the way of that is not correct. So the opportunity of opposition, okay, when the opposition is strong, the democracy is in success. So here the success, the conditions for the success of democracy. So it is the important 10 marks question in this democracy side, in 10 marks question. So here these are all the conditions of success of democracy. The one is independent and impartial press, independent and impartial press, the written constitution, the independent judiciary, the strong opposition, the regular elections and active part of local self-governing, division of power, proper education system, faith in democracy. So these are all the successful conditions of democracy. The democracy is in success only these. The first one is independent and impartial press. So the press, it's narrate important role in democratic countries. So no conditions either side of press express the views. So the press narrates important role. Here present outside, our side, the print media and the electronic media is here. So once upon a time, the print media narrates important role. Now the electronic media is here. So if any incident, immediately the electronic media respond and it delivered to all people. So the press narrates important role and impartial. the press do not give any more priority to government. So it is between government and people. The mediator, the press is mediator of government and people. So press independently, the press expresses its views. So when the press is an independent and impartial, that is a good successful condition of democracy. And then the constitution, written constitution. So which constitution is written? That constitution is written constitution. For example, Indian constitution, American constitution. These constitutions all are written constitutions. So all matters are all neatly written in our constitution. It is clear, it is clarity, it is brevity. These are all the way of our constitution. So which country have written constitution? In that constitutions the democracy is in success. If no written constitution, the democracy is not in success. And then the independent judiciary. So the independent judiciary. So the Department of Judiciary narrates important role. So the Department of Judiciary do independent role. It is the independent one. It is relative of all. It is not relative of some. So the Department of Judiciary is an independent way. And then the strong opposition. So I explain. So the opposition is in strong. If the opposition is not strong, the democracy is not success. So in the time of voting, the people think and they give choice to opposition. So the ruling party afraid in front of the opposition. If the opposition is not strong, the ruling party dominates. So present in our Telangana side, the present Andhra Pradesh side, the people give choice to only one side. So presently in our Telangana side, the opposition, only 5 or 6 opposition leaders, opposition party candidates. So if they raise the problem at the time, the ruling party side members high, so they take light. So when the strong opposition at the time, the ruling party give suitable answers. If the opposition is not strong, the ruling party is in the way of his own way. It creates his own way. So actually, the Britain, the people give choice to opposition they give more priority to opposition also. If no opposition, who asks questions to government? At the time, opposition is strong. At the time, the ruling party give answers to the opposition. So if no opposition is strong, the democracy is not success. So present our side, same situation. So at the time of voting, the people think and give their votes. So and so person is great. When he great, so the way of when the opposition is strong, at the time the democracy is in success. And then the regular elections. So regular elections. So when the term is completed, the election commission conduct the elections. If no elections, no responsible person. The political heads all are elected by the people. The political heads all are legislatures. They make laws. The implementators all are not take responsibility to the side of people. They are the employees. If the elections are regular, at the time the democracy is in success. So in our side, the elections all are regular elections. The election commissions conducts regular elections present outside, our side. So the regular elections, and then active part of local self-government. So the local bodies, the local self-governments here active part. So actually the rural administration side, the administration side, their role is active role. And then division of power. So the power is division. Who, what he does, what the department of these do, what the department of these do, and what the department of these do. The power is a division power. And then proper education system. So the democratic system only, this is the main important one. The education system is a strong. In democracy, success only strong education system. Manaku telusu. So now present the people, when the people are educated at the time, the democracy is in success. When the people are educated at the time, the democracy is in success. If the people are not educated, the democracy is in not success. So present our side, gradually our people are educated. So once upon a time, the ratio of education is less. So now present, all people give more priority to education side. When the education system is strong, the democracy is in success. And faith in democracy. So the democracy is valuable one. Every person faith in democracy. Democracy is ours. I accept the democratic system. So these are all the successful conditions of democracy.